Hi, let me show you how this application works. This is a simple task management application available on web, on your Android device, on your iPhone device from the Play Stores. Well, signing up is very easy. Sign up. After you have signed up, we send you a verification email. Please go to your email account and verify the email by clicking on the link. Check Please your spam folder for verification email. So let me now log in with my credentials. Now, first thing that you will see is the task inbox. All the tasks have been marked in different colors to tell you status of different tasks. Gray is the task that you have assigned to others. Dark blue is the task which requires some attention. It may be due, or it may have a new notification. And then you have a light blue task, which means the task which has been assigned to you. And then you have a green task. Green task basically tells you that task has been completed by one of the team members. Now let us see how to work on this application. This is a very, very simple thing to do. Say on your left panel you can see various folders. We have created some folders by default, like schedules, business, status reports, payments, banking. It's just to keep different kind of tasks in different folders. Say for example, if let's go to one folder. Now it's very easy. Now let's create a new task. Let me call it new task. We can attach any file, and let's just enter it. Now you will see this. Now what we can do is, now if this task can have multiple things to do to complete this task, so you can break up this task into smaller subtasks. Say for example, subtask 1, subtask 2, subtask 3. So this way you can break up any task into multiple smaller tasks. It's like making a project. It's like making a checklist of something that you want done. Now once you have done that, you can with every subtask you can also attach any file if need be. You can also add special notes to remind yourself or your teammates. Say note 1 or something, whatever. I'm just this is just by way of explaining. Now once you have created the task and added subtask if required, then you can set due date. For example, if you want certain things to be done at a certain date or within a certain period, then you can set the due date. Now you can also set the frequency. By default it says one time, but a task may be something which has to be repeated, say every quarter or even daily. Start date, click on daily, and then when you think this task should be for how long it should be repeated, you can give a long repetition, or you can just, for the purpose of demonstration, let me say 16th October is. Now if you do not want this task to be generated on a Saturday and Sunday, you can check these dates. So this task will not be created in those days. Now if you want to assign this task to one or more teammates, you can also assign it to a group. You can assign it to one or two or many contacts. Let me assign it to one contact. Once this task has been assigned to someone, the other person will automatically get a notification that a new task has been generated, and this is what, and the other one can access this task by opening his Tazkr account or by using his Tazkr mobile apps on Android and iPhone. Now once you've created the task, now how or my teammate have completed subtask number 1. So I've marked it complete. Now all the teammates, all the members in this who have been assigned this task are updated that this task has been completed. It's like a collaborative way of doing something. Subtask 2 is completed. Now subtask 3 is also completed. Once we have completed all the subtasks, I can make another note, say note 2. And once I have completed all the subtasks, now I will say this task is complete now. Once I have marked this task, since I create the task, if I mark it complete, everybody will get the notification. But if one of the teammates, now for example, now let me, as you can see, this task has been assigned. It's showing dark blue with a red flag. Now I open this task. Now I see the task was created, notes are visible, the due date, everything is visible, and this task has been completed. So all the subtasks have been marked complete. Now what I do is, since I see all the tasks have been completed, so this main task should also be marked completed. Once I mark it complete, now let me come to this account. Now I can see this task on this due date has been completed and a new task has been generated. So once I see that this task has been done, I view the details, and then if I find everything alright, so what I do is I mark this task as complete. This is just as simple as that. So once I close a task, I can access these tasks from the archives. Archives is just another folder where you keep all your closed complete tasks. So this is about this task you can see here is already in the archives. Now if I want to mark it incomplete, I can create various groups. These are your contacts. You can manually add the contacts, or you can synchronize your contacts by using our mobile apps. Now let us see how this app works on the mobile. This is our iPhone app. As you can see, there is a Tazkr icon. Let's open it. As you can see, you again land on the task inbox and you can see various tasks. Everything works just the same. Let's open a task. It works the same way. You can add subtask. The only difference thing is because of interface, we have put 5 icons right on top. One is for adding contacts, second one is for adding due dates and frequency, etc. Third is for setting reminders. Fourth is for adding a venue in case there is a need to add venue in case you are planning a meeting and something with a group of people. And the last one is notes. You can add notes by clicking on this. So this basically works the same way. This task, what it does is, once you download this task from Apple Store, or if you are using Android, from Google Play Store, once you have downloaded the app and you've signed up using the same process as we just showed, and this application synchronizes all your phone contacts to the contact list on Tazkr. So it makes communication easier. And you can send invites to various people. If you want to build a team, you can invite various people. This is the contact list. This is how you make groups. This is to search a task, and this plus sign will give you options like going to archives, setting your profile and log out and things like that. And here you see the left panel. It works just the same way as we just explained. You can go to any list and you can create a new task just the same way. Here we have given a send button to enter the task. Again, you can same way, you can attach a file, you can do pretty much the same as you can do from the laptop. So this is a way of keeping track of all your different things that you need to do every day, or weekly, fortnightly, quarterly, or at whatever date that you have set, and everybody in the team on the progress of the task. We hope that you will enjoy working on this. It will help you make your life a little more organized, stress-free, and more productive. So do write to us in case you have any feedback, comments to offer. We are always there, working very hard to make this application more and more useful for our customers. Thank you very much.